car is locked now. You try to press and open, this is what happened. You cannot really open it. You stay like this. If you unlock it or you get out, then this happens. And then you can do it. Or if you lock it, then you unlock it once, or when you open the door, it unlocked maybe only one door, but not this one as well. It will get stuck. So you need to press twice to unlock it, so all the doors are open. Yeah, and then that happens. And then this allows to get out. Because it turns and lock, and then it doesn't allow. So let's lock it. You press on it, this is what happened. It partially open, just a little bit, and doesn't allow it anymore. Press one more time, and it pops out.